Dear children, heartiest welcome in English class. How are you? Hope that all of you are well and safe at your home. Today we will solve the exercise of chapter 9, that is a tiger in the house of your book, that is an alien hand. Dear children, these are expected learning outcomes which will be achieved by us after solving this exercise. As you know that we read and understood the whole chapter in previous 3 videos, today we will solve the exercise of this chapter. Let's start. Let's first go to comprehension check, which is written on page number 60 in your book. The first question under this exercise is, he had the distinction of being the only member of the party to have bagged any game dash dash. The phrase in italics means, प्यारे बच्चों जो इसमें ब्लैक में फ्रेज दिया गया है इसका क्या मतलब है, नीचे 3 ऑप्शन है उसमें से हमें राइट आंसर चुनना है. द फर्स्ट वन इज ग्रैंडफादर was the most distinguished member of the party. Second one, grandfather was the only sports person in the party. Third one, grandfather was the only successful member of the hunting party. Mark the right answer. इन तीनों में से right meaning जो है कौन सा है वो हमें बताना है. The right answer is third one. Grandfather was the only successful member of the hunting party. Now question number 2. Complete the following sentences. We have to complete the following incomplete sentence. First incomplete sentence is, Toto climbed up the curtains when dash. Let's complete it. Toto climbed up the curtains when Timothy lost his temper. Second incomplete sentence is, dash I became one of the tiger's favorites. The answer is, when I came to live with grandfather, I became one of the tiger's favorites. Now, third incomplete sentence is, Timothy had clean habits dash. Let's complete it. Timothy had clean habits and would scrub his face with his paws exactly like a cat. Now, let's go to another comprehension check which is written on page number 64 in your book. The question number 1 under this exercise is, grandmother's prophecy was that the tiger would prefer Mahmood's bed to sleep in. Second one, and the cook would disappear together from the house. Third one, would one day make a meal of Mahmood. Mark the right answer. प्यारे बच्चों इसमें भी हमें एक राइट आंसर चुनना है. द आंसर इज third one, would one day make a meal of Mahmood. Now question number 2. When Timothy was about 6 months old, have a change came over him. The phrase in italics means that. प्यारे बच्चों ये जो फ्रेज ब्लैक में दिया गया है इसका क्या मतलब है हमें नीचे दिए गए ऑप्शन से चुनना है. द फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज, Timothy had grown to his full size. Second one, Timothy grew more friendly. Third one, Timothy grew less friendly, in fact more dangerous. The right answer is third one. Timothy grew less friendly, in fact more dangerous. Now let's go to another question. That is question number 3. Write true or false against each of the following statements. प्यारे बच्चों नीचे दी गई स्टेटमेंटों को सही या गलत बताना है. The first one is, Timothy and grandfather went to Lucknow in a special compartment. This statement is false. Second one, the compartment in which grandfather and Timothy traveled had no other passenger. This is the right statement. That is true. Now, third one is, Timothy and grandfather traveled in a first class compartment. This is true statement. Now the last statement is, all passengers in the compartment thought that Timothy was a well-fed and civilized tiger. This is false statement. Now question number 4. Grandfather suggested that Timothy should be put in another cage. The reason was that the tiger had become very bad tempered. Second one, a leopard in the next cage would constantly rush at Timothy. Third one, the cage was too small for a full grown tiger. The right answer of this multiple choice question is second one. A leopard in the next cage would constantly rush at Timothy. Now, question number 5. The tiger was still licking his arm with increasing relish. The phrase in italics suggests that Timothy was a good natured. Second one, recognized an old friend. Third one, smelled fresh food. The answer of this question is third one, that is smelled fresh food. Now, dear children, let's go to another exercise which is written on page 65 in your book. The first question under this exercise is, where was the tiger cub hiding when grandfather found him? जब बाघ का बच्चा दादाजी को मिला उस समय वह कहाँ छिपा हुआ था? The answer of this question is the tiger cub was hiding among the intricate roots of a banyan tree in the Trai jungle near Dehra when grandfather found him. Now, first part of second question is, what did Toto do to entertain Timothy? Toto टिमोथी का मनोरंजन करने के लिए क्या करता था? The answer of this question is Toto, the monkey who was bold enough, pulled the tiger by the tail to entertain Timothy. Now, second part of the second question is, what did he do when Timothy lost his temper? जब टिमोथी को क्रोध आ जाता था तो वह क्या करता था? The answer of this question is Toto climbed up the curtains when Timothy lost his temper. Now, question number 3. I became one of the tiger's favorites. Who is I in the statement? Why did he think so? मैं बाघ का पसंदीदा बन गया. इस कथन में मैं कौन है? वह ऐसा क्यों सोचते थे? Now, the answer of the question is, in above statement, I is the author. That is Ruskin Bond. He thought so because one of Timothy's favorite amusements was to stalk anyone who would play with him. The author played with him. Moreover, Timothy kept closer and closer to the author. Now, question number 4. Where was Timothy most comfortable during the day? Where was he during the night? टिमोथी दिन के समय कहाँ पर सबसे अधिक आरामदायक अनुभव करता था? रात को वह कहाँ होता था? The answer of this question is, during the day, Timothy was most comfortable on the long sofa in the drawing room. At night, he slept in the cook's quarters. Now, question number 5. What was grandmother's prophecy about the cook? Did it come true? बावर्ची के बारे में दादी जी की क्या भविष्यवाणी थी? क्या यह सत्य सिद्ध हुई? The answer of this question is, grandmother's prophecy was that Timothy would someday sit on Mahmud's bed and eat up the cook. No, the prophecy did not come true. Now, question number 6. What made grandfather decide to transfer Timothy to the zoo? किस बात ने दादाजी को मजबूर किया कि टिमोथी को चिड़ियाघर भेज दिया जाए? The answer of this question is, when Timothy was about 6 months old, a change came over him. He grew steadily less friendly. He would try to steal away to stalk a cat or someone's pet dog. Sometimes at night he ate hens from the poultry house. Moreover, he began to stalk Mahmud like villainous intent. All this made grandfather decide to transfer Timothy to the zoo. Now, question number 7. Why did grandfather want Timothy to be put in another enclosure? दादाजी क्यों चाहते थे कि टिमोथी को किसी अन्य पिंजरे में रखा जाए? The answer of this question is, the leopard kept frightening Timothy in his enclosure. Grandfather could not tolerate this, so he wanted Timothy to be put in another enclosure. Now, last question of this exercise. What shocked grandfather in the end? अंत में दादाजी को किस बात से आघात पहुंचा? The answer of this question is when the keeper told grandfather that Timothy was died 2 months ago due to pneumonia. This news shocked grandfather in the end. Dear children, these are the question answers of the exercise of chapter 9, that is a tiger in the house. I hope you understand it very well. There is a worksheet along with this video. Kindly solve the questions given in the worksheet so that you can make more understanding about this exercise. Thank you. Be happy and safe.